In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix connection timed out in Google Chrome. Let's get started. Launch your Chrome browser, click on three dots, navigate to the option extensions, click on manage extensions. If you currently have any browser extensions enabled, especially VPNs, ad blockers or security tools, go ahead and disable them by toggling each extension off or removing them completely. Some extensions can interfere with your internet connection and stop websites from loading properly. After disabling the extensions, click the three dots again and open settings. Now at the left hand side, you're gonna find the option of reset settings. Click on that. Now click on the option reset settings to the default. Confirm by pressing reset settings. Once the browser resets, try reopening the website and check if the error has been fixed. If you still see the error, what you want to do is search for command prompt. Click on run as administrator. Now here you'll need to type in the command prompt ipconfig /flush DNS and press enter to clear the DNS cache. After that, type netis winchock reset and press enter again. These commands help refresh your network configuration and fix connection issues in Chrome. Once both commands have completed successfully, restart your PC, then open Google Chrome again. After your PC restarts, you should now be able to access website normally without seeing the connection timed out error. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.